Hellers. So I'm gonna be doing a thing that I've wanted to do, is make a video on how I cut my hair. And a lot of people have asked me to do it. So and it took me a long time to grow this back out. I mean, it looks kind of orange though on camera. I need toner. Anyways, so this is my scene hair. It's a bit, it's getting there. It's a bit too long. Also, I know what you're thinking. Molly's wearing makeup? What the fuck? Yeah, I did it just because I need to take care of myself better. This is some great mouthwash tasting soda. Tell you that, buddies. Also, there's a new show on Netflix that's called Disenchantment. That's what it's called. And it's basically, I guess the creators of Futurama and The Simpsons. So it's pretty okay. By the way, between me and you, Futurama was way better than The Simpsons. My mirror is over here, so I guess I'll just talk about the way I'm doing this. I just kinda, what do? I just kinda fucking do it. I guess I got it kinda down to a science since I've had scene hair for the past, wait, how long has it been now? 5.5 years? Yeah, I've had it for quite some time, and I haven't gotten tired of it yet, actually. I really like the way that it frames my face, I guess. I remember when I was younger, I used to watch the shit out of these videos. I still do. I have no life. Okay, so I put all my big hairs in the back. And also, this is the first layer of my bangs. I want to get a business and call it get yourself a cut and dye. Get it? No. Okay, sorry, I make terrible jokes. It's gonna be just basically an alternative hairstyling place where you want a death hawk? I got you, buddy. You want some crazy ass colors in your hair? All splotchy and shit? I got you. And I'll do it in a way that will not kill your hair. So all the alternative people have a good place to go to. Because I remember at Supercuts, I would go there for my scene hair. Whoa! It was bad. And so I started cutting it the ending of 8th grade. And honestly, it's not that scary once you just get in there and you cut it. Get yourself a little trash can. You don't want your mom to get mad at you. Bah! You take your comb and comb it out. And then you kind of see where you want it to end, I guess. Yikes. Oh, I have a cold. Oh, I've ruined it. This bruise on my arm, it looks painful, doesn't it? It was from my brother hitting me with his elbow when we were tubing. By the way, I'm not fucking Tabs. I'm an entirely different person. It's just because I have blonde hair and a smiley, isn't it? She's way older than me, my dude. And then you take little pieces and you chop them. And you do little by little, or else you're gonna fuck it all up. Let me tell you. And you keep chopping until you think it looks good. Little smidgen! You take any more than a little smidgen, you're screwed. You're screwed. Don't go to Supercuts. I'm bending over to do this. I'm 18 now. I'm still very much an emo kid. Can't deal with the new age emos. All this Mulaney Martinez and 21 Pilots, don't get me wrong. I like their music, but it's not emo. Ugh. But that's my opinion on that. If you want to be an emo kid, let me tell you something. If you want your hair to stay like this, you have to have it at least a little bit damaged. That way it just kind of stays there. Yeah, it's damaged for sure, but it's not horribly damaged to the point of no return. It's there, but if you can kind of see what I'm doing, I'm just going down. I'm doing nothing fancy. Oh my god, I'm gonna try and get a job at Sally's. And there's like a bunch of old ladies in there, and they were really happy that I was a young one applying. It was a really friendly environment. I really liked it. You don't need to be going like 20 miles an hour, buddy. Slow it down. Who texted me? Okay, but yeah, that's the first layer. I asked people to take some of my Musical.lys so they can make cringe compilations with them. So I'm gonna be reacting to those here pretty soon. Okay, and then you take the second layer, your little, what's that called? This thing bing right here. Yeah, I'll get to that. That's only the first layer of that thing. I guess I call that like my sideburn. My singular sideburn. And now, we will take the second layer. Now this is the important side because this is the side that everyone sees. Don't fuck it up. I'm gonna whisper that to you in your sleep. Don't fuck it up. You know what? I'm gonna trade to this. But you have to do it at like an angle. So it's like when you're cutting it, you cut it so it's going straight through basically and not doing this. Because that's just like shaving the hair cuticle of its substances. I don't know science. Okay, now that we are dripping wet, okay, you dry it with the shirt. Yeah, that's what you do. You go at it again. Softly stroke it. See, I say softly stroke it, but I just hack at it. I'm recording a YouTube video and I'm on Lively, so that's a thing. No, I need to cut the sideburn. It's too goddamn long. My sideburn is making me mad. There's like little particles of hair getting in my eyeball.
Till my nose bleed. I blacked out in the black car. I was trying to feel like a rock star, but I can't just do one.
But that's basically how I cut my hair. I straighten my bangs, and I don't do anything with the back because I just want that to grow out even more. It's basically like, it's almost to the end of my ribs actually, when I like pull it down. Shit. And I mean, I'm short, so.